There are thousands of Chrome extensions out there, and out of the endless sea of Chrome extensions promising to supercharge your productivity, a few gems claim to do just that by harnessing the power of AI. I took on the challenge to see if there are tools out there that could actually replace ChatGPT and transform my workflow. The results? Let's just say you'd want to stick around for this. So let's dive right in to 5 ChatGPT alternative Chrome extensions in 2024. Magical. So first up we have Magical. And Magical is essentially a time saver. It's the extension for professionals who encounter emails, data entry, admin work, essentially mundane tasks on a daily basis. For instance, I get quite a few emails a day, whether it's from colleagues, my own clients, or my accountant. And switching different hats to respond to emails can be daunting, especially when I want to avoid spelling errors or to write professionally. So with Magical, I can use the AI reply feature to respond to emails with a single click. Or should you choose to respond with a more intricate answer, you can use the custom AI assist feature. What I love about Magical is that it's always available literally in every text area on every website. And you can also create templates so you can say goodbye to common phrases or even paragraphs and having to type them over and over. And if you need to schedule a quick meeting, what I tend to do is use a template to respond quickly, or if you're in sales or customer support, you can use the template feature to get a message or email out quickly for efficiency. Now, though this is our Chrome extension, I can't deny that Magical has changed my workflow in a professional sense for my work and as a life hack to handle other personal tasks in my daily life. I tried using ChatGPT for these tasks, but the workflow was just not up to par, and I found myself copying and pasting and copying, and well, you get the point. To conclude on this extension, I think you should try it out, and the bonus is that it's free, so you can install Magical for free today by clicking the link in the description. Kome AI. So in a previous video, I ranked about 37 different productivity tools, and this extension made the list. It's called Kome AI, and now whilst I didn't think it was S tier, I must admit that it comes in handy, and I've used it a few times, so I knew I just had to add it to this lineup. Kome AI essentially is an all-in-one extension for summarizing content, both written and visual. Perhaps you can relate to searching YouTube and Google for information, only to stumble upon long videos and long articles that you have to sift through all the fluff to get the answer that you're looking for. Well, now with the power of AI, you can have the model scan through information and provide you with the answers that you seek. And so while ChatGPT can scan through books and articles that have already been written, especially if you're using the 3.5 version, you aren't able to really scan PDFs, YouTube videos, Twitter threads, or any other thing of that nature. And so ChatGPT becomes almost useless. But with Kome, this becomes a possibility. Now you can summarize those YouTube videos on the fly by activating the plugin on the page and requesting a summary. This also works for PDF, so you can simply navigate to the PDF and activate Kome using the extension trigger Command E for Mac or Control E for Windows, and select the appropriate option for Kome. This is definitely a life hack for those who need to save time scrolling through content online. So next we have Grammarly. And I can't claim to be the best speller, and in most cases I can't also claim to be the best grammatically correct individual. However, with tools like Grammarly, I don't have to be. I've been using Grammarly for years, and it's proven to be a valuable resource in editing my content. In recent times, with the advancement of artificial intelligence, Grammarly has also innovated AI into their application. And so having the ability to suggest phrases, alternative sentences has been a game changer for me to be more proficient and efficient in writing content, from my emails to video scripts and contracts from time to time. So Grammarly is a free extension, however its best features are behind a paywall, so if you desire to have a spell checker and be up to par with your grammar on the fly, then Grammarly is a solid recommendation. Okay, so let's talk about Fireflies AI. Have you ever wished for a magical wand to handle the mundane yet crucial tasks of meeting notes? Well, welcome to the future with Fireflies, an AI-powered assistant that's revolutionizing how professionals manage their conversations. With Fireflies AI, gone are the days of scribing notes during meetings. Instantly record and transcribe any discussion across Zoom, Google Meets, teams, and more. Fireflies captures every word, making sure no detail is missed and every voice is heard. But it's not just about transcription. You can utilize its AI-powered search that lets you review an hour's conversation in just minutes. I was able to have a conversation with my colleague Joyce, and we were able to filter that information, and I can click on summarize it, as you can see on the screen right here. You want to filter by action items, questions, and key insights with a click, making this follow-up process a breeze. Collaboration has never been easier. Pin comments, drop reactions, and create shareable sound bites for that aha moment in your presentation. Plus, with seamless integration into Slack, Notion, Asana, and your CRM, keeping your team aligned is effortless. And so Firefly is a gateway to a more efficient, impactful meeting, ensuring you stay focused on what truly matters, which is connecting and creating. Last but not least, we have Liner. And so if you can imagine instantly summarizing lengthy articles, dense PDF documents, or critical points from YouTube discussions with just one click, then you probably have Liner in mind. Liner does just that, saving you hours and propelling your research productivity to new heights. But Liner's magic doesn't end with just summarization. You can dive into your PDFs like never before, collaborating with AI to unearth insights, summarize content, and swiftly locate the information that matters most to you. And when it comes to writing, Liner stands by your side, offering intelligent suggestions on tone, grammar, delivery, ensuring your writing is not just good, but that it's great. Interact directly with ChatGPT 4 for the latest in AI, asking questions, delving into topics, or getting summaries tailored to your needs. You can highlight, organize, and keep insightful text, YouTube videos, clips, or images neatly in your personal workspace, ensuring that your insights are always within reach. And for those who are on the go, Liner's browser extension was hailed as 2022's favorite on the Chrome Web Store, ensuring your productivity never skips a beat. So no matter where you are on the web, be sure to use Liner to be able to sift through all of your content. So that concludes our deep dive into these 5 Chrome extensions. But the digital realm is vast, and I'm sure there are other gems I've yet to uncover. Here's where you come in. Drop a comment below telling me about any productivity boosting Chrome extensions I might have missed, and which ones from today's lineup you're excited to integrate into your daily grind. Your insights not only enlighten me, but our entire community of productivity enthusiasts. If you found value in today's exploration and crave more insights into Chrome extensions, AI tools, and transformative productivity habits, you know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss out on elevating your workflow. I'll see you in the next one.